Here's a full detail on a Hyundai i10 Premium. First off, we start with a thick layer of snow foam. This is all over the wheels to break down the grime and dirt. Next, it's followed by a hard bristle brush to aggravate the stubborn dirt. This is then followed by a smoother bristle brush to get into the cracks and crevices and also give it extra detail. Now moving on to the rubber, removing all the old dealership tyre shine. This stuff gets messy and it's water based as well, so it's quite hard to remove. Then it's rinsed off with a high pressure jet, making sure to get into all of the places, including the arches and back at the brake discs. Now it's time for the bodywork, applying a thick snow foam to the outside of the body, making sure to go in lines following the paintwork and the way I want to wash it off. Making sure to cover the whole car. Next we use a bristle brush, a light bristle brush. This is to get into all the cracks and crevices once again. So we follow all the major things like the windows, the door linings, the handles, and also the petrol cap as well. Making sure we rub the snow foam in to all the little bits where a usual wash mitt's not going to get. So here we are mixing the shampoo for the contact wash. Look how satisfying that is. So here we are rubbing it in to the bodywork, making sure to go in lines, following the paintwork. Going all the way around the bodywork. And then now we jet this off. Here we're using a 90-degree nozzle. This will help get into all the window linings and the weather. This is the seal that protects the windows from getting weather affected stuff, for example rain inside of it. Also just jetting the snow foam off the wheels once again. So now we're moving on to the interior. We're using a all-purpose foam cleaner for the boot lining. Here we're using a drill brush to aggravate it and to mix it into the fabric. And now what we'll do is we'll hoover the rest up and lift any dirt that was inside the fabric beforehand. Here you see us lifting it up and giving the rest a little bit of a hoover. Now we're using another light bristle brush to just rub the foam cleaner into the plastics and give them a good clean. Ready to be dressed. Now we wipe off the foam cleaner. So here we are now inside the car. Here we are cleaning the backs of the seats. These backs of the seats actually had spots on them where obviously children have been kicking the backs of the seats or something along those lines. So here we are, just hoovering them up, giving them a good clean. Here we are now on the seat fabrics. So we're going to use the same foam cleaner, using the drill brush to just rub it into the fabric. As you can see, there's some dark spots, we'll sort them out later. Now I'm going over it with a shampoo, a fabric shampoo and an interior cleaner, and then we're going to wet vac that all up. As you can see, there's still some spots, but we'll take care of them later on. Here we are aggravating the spots. Now here's us extracting it. And the spots have gone. Now we're going to drill brush the carpets, the front seats, just to aggravate that little bit of dirt. Now we're going to hoover it up, spot vac it and hoover it. Now we're moving on to the steering wheel and the plastics inside. Again with the foam cleaner, rubbing it into the plastics and into all the small little bits. All around the leather. And then we wipe this off, leaving it with a nice shine. Now we're removing some glue spots and some tar spots with our tar remover. And here we are, spot vacuuming the mat.